Hey, what's up you guys, Fezo here. Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make simple buttons for your web designs, or you can use it on your videos as a infographic items. So let's open the Photoshop and get started, but before I'm going to start this tutorial I want to show the example first. So here's the example. You can change the color and you can change the text if you want. It's also included as a template in my description below. You can download it, it's for free. So that's pretty much it. Let's open the new project and get started. Just go to File, New, and I recommend you choose HD resolution project in this tutorial. I'm going to use 1280 and 720 pixel resolution. Just click OK, and before I'm going to start this tutorial, I'm going to duplicate this background. Just go to duplicate layer and select your project and click OK. Here we go. So let's start make a new layer, and I'm going to start making the rounded rectangle tool. Just select a rectangle tool and make sure the fill color or foreground color is this color. You can copy this code from here. Click OK. Select the stroke color, no color, and make sure the radius is 28 pixel. And make a rounded rectangle just like that. Here we go. Okay. Before I'm going to open this layer style, just name it inner bar. And right click on this layer and go to rasterize layer. And here we have a nice shape. Just double click on this inner bar and open the layer style. Then go to, let me see, inner shadow, inner glow. Change the blending mode from screen to normal and make sure the color is white, and change the opacity down about 25 pixel, and don't touch the size, just leave it. Then go to bevel and emboss, make sure the depth is all the way up, and size, let me see, just select 43 pixel, and go to shading and make sure the highlight mode is white and shadow mode is black. Change the highlight mode opacity down about 10 and shadow mode opacity down about 20 pixel, 20% looks great. So here we have a nice layer style here. Then I'm going to make outer bar. For this, just make a new layer bottom of this inner bar, and just select the layer and name it outer bar, and select this layer, hold Ctrl and one left click on your inner bar to nail. Then go to select, modify and expand. Make sure they expand by 5 pixel. Click OK and select your foreground color. Just type this code. Click OK and press Alt backspace on your keyboard, then Ctrl D on your keyboard. Then open the layer style. I'm going to check inner glow, change the blending mode normal and make it white. Change the size 6 pixel and opacity down about 25, looks great. Then go to bevel and emboss. Make sure the depth is all the way up. Not all the way up, just select 200%. And size, let me see, just leave it 5 pixel. And for this shading, just select highlight mode opacity. Let me see, make it 10, and shadow mode opacity about 20%. Looks great. Then check the stroke, make sure the size is 2 pixels, and position outside, and go to fill type and change color to gradient. Before I'm going to open this gradient, make sure the style is linear and angle 90 degree, and open the gradient. Just select first color, just type this code here, not full black. And second color, just select whatever you want. I'm going to select orange color. Click OK. And here we have a nice orange color going to black. Looks great. And last thing, just check the drop shadow. Make sure the opacity is 35%. Distance 5, don't touch the speed, and change the size about 10 pixels. Okay, looks great. Like this one. Okay guys, now I'm going to make a circle ellipse tool, just like that. For this, just select ellipse. Before I'm going to make it, just create a new layer and select your ellipse tool. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit and select your ellipse tool, and just you can hold Shift and Alt and make a circle just like that. Just put it right there. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Here we go. And right click on the ellipse and select the rasterize layer and double click on it. Go to color overlay and make sure you select the same color with this inner bar. Click OK. Go to inner shadow. Make sure the opacity is 75%, distance 5, and size 10 pixels. I'm going to change the angle from 120 degree to 90 degree. Before I'm going to change this settings, just uncheck the use global light, then change this from 120 degree to 90 degree. So it looks great. Then go to bubble and emboss, change the depths from 100% to 200%, and size 100 pixels. Works great. And opacity down about 8, shadow mode opacity down about 20. It's give a nice light effect, as you can see. Then click OK, and you can put anything in this ellipse. I'm going to put a Twitter logo. Just duplicate this, go to Twitter logo, right click, duplicate it. Here we go. And I just added few layer style on this logo. You can stop this video and copy these settings. Okay, and you can type any text you want. Just select your text tool and write your text. I'm using the Nexa font. You can search it on Google and download it. It's for free. And I'm going to make this part of text bold, and open the layer style, make sure it's the same color with this orange. press Ctrl T, make it smaller. And put it here. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to add the texture on the inner bar. I downloaded this texture pack from this website. I put the link in the description below. Just click download and extract it with WinRAR, and you will get this nice textures, nice black textures. I'm going to use this one in this tutorial, but you can use anything in this pack. Just go to Photoshop, file, open, and open your favorite one, and double click on the background, make it active, and right click on it and duplicate it to your project, just like that, and press Ctrl T, make it smaller, just like that, and put it top of this inner bar, and hold, just name it texture, and select this texture layer, hold Ctrl and one left click on your inner bar, and click this button, add layer mask. Here we go. Then go to opacity and change it about, let me see, you can play around this opacity. I'm going to choose 35. 35 works great. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to make the second one, which is right there. For this, I'm going to hide this Twitter and text, and delete this texture and eclipse. I'm going to duplicate this inner bar and move the first inner bar. Just select your move tool, hold shift and drag it a little bit left hand side, just like that, and select a inner bar copy, and select your marquee tool and delete this part of this inner bar. Press delete on your keyboard, just like that, and select your first inner bar, and just delete this part of this first inner bar. Here we go. So let's change a few settings in layer style. Just open the inner bar copy and hide this, just open the inner glow and change the white color to black. Change the opacity from 25% to 75, just select 70%, and size 10 pixel, just like that. Go to bevel and emboss, change the soften about 10, and just play around this opacity. I'm going to make it, let me see, 6% looks great, and opacity down about, the shadow mode opacity down about 5. Just play around this shading. Six works great. Maybe 8. Okay, 8 work great. Just click OK. Then I'm going to open the first inner bar layer style and go to bevel and emboss and change the depths about 200%, size 100 pixel, and change the opacity about a little bit. Let me see, 10 works great. Just play around this shading. Let me see. 25. Then click OK. Now I'm going to make this inner glow opacity down. Just don't use inner glow, just uncheck the inner glow, just select inner shadow, change the size 10 and makes the opacity about, let me see, 60. Looks great. Then I'm going to make a new layer top of these layers and name it reflection or light if you want. Just name it reflection. Just select your pen tool, zoom in a little bit and make a shape just like that and finish the line, and right click on it, select fill path and make sure the color is white, and right click on it again and click delete path, zoom out a little bit. Okay, then go to first inner bar, just select the reflection layer and hold Ctrl and left click on your inner bar thumbnail and click this icon here and change the blending option overlay and change the opacity down about 25. Works great. Then open the layer style of the reflection, go to gradient overlay, change the blending mode overlay and make sure you use the gradient black to white, and let me see, make sure its reverse is checked and change the opacity down about 25%. Works great. Okay, here we go. You can write your text here and you can put anything in this bar. I'm going to put this text, make it bigger and rotate it a little bit, -5 degrees. And put it here just like that. Then you can add a texture on it. Just press Ctrl T and make it smaller and drag it here, top of this first inner bar, name it texture and hold Ctrl, left click on your inner bar thumbnail and click this icon and change the opacity down about 35 or 30. Works great. So here we have the same button like this. Just make the text a little bit bigger. Here we go. Now I'm going to show you how to change the color with easy steps. Just make a new, just select all of these layers, press Ctrl G on your keyboard, just make a group, and Ctrl J, make it duplicate, just unhide this one, and just select this second group, press Ctrl E, then go to just click on this button and select hue saturation and press Alt on your keyboard and move your cursor between this group copy and hue saturation. You will see this icon right there. Just left click and you can change the color if you want. Now I'm going to select nice green color, looks awesome. So here we go guys, you can create a really nice buttons like this and you can use anywhere on your video or your website. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe if you don't already, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.